I'm Vanessa. I'm the master permanent makeup artist here, and we have Jordan. She is our Mother's Day winner.
Yay.
So we're gonna do some combo brows on her today, and I'm so excited. This top is traditional microblading, and then this middle brow is a combo brow. Do you see how they're shading just to kind of make it a little bit darker?
Yeah.
More. This is a topical numbing cream. Alright, and here we go. We're going to start the microblading process. First stroke. How was that?
Oh, that's it?
Yeah,
No,
yeah,
that's okay.
that's it.
Yeah.
I am just submerging the ink so it could take. So far, basically what happens with the blade is I just cut it open and then I push in the ink.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I can't wait to see what both look like. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, they look so natural.
Pretty, now you don't have to do your brows. You have the waterproof brows.
I know. I get to just wake up with these. What?
But basically this is going to help heal because it scabs up like a regular tattoo.
Okay.
So I wanted to do something a little bit for you. Something small.
Thank you
For your
so
table.
much. Yeah. I was not expecting that.
No,
Thank you so
I love
much.
it.